Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at what's working currently on Meta. As probably most of you have experienced, we had a rough start of the year. Meta ads have been challenging for businesses with higher average order value. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what currently works for us, so we can implement those things in your accounts and you can get better results. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you that currently works really well for us is dynamic product ads with frames. So when I say dynamic product ads with frames, you can see what I mean exactly here. So all of this can be added externally. We usually design ours in Canva and we do them mostly for sales. Let's say when we have a sale, we're gonna have a frame, but not on all of the sides, just on the bottom. And for example, here we're gonna say 20% off. And also, depending on the size of the product and how it looks in your DPAs, you can, for example, add your logo top left corner or to go across the whole image from left to right on top. Just make sure it doesn't cover your product. So these type of ads work really well for us at the moment. The way you can do them is simply going into the ad level. When you create a DPA, there's going to be a section edit. There will be edit creative, add frame, and this exact thing will pop up. The second thing that works really well for us at the moment are Advantage Plus campaigns. We utilize those a lot, and the way we utilize them is mostly with dynamic product ads. DPAs at the moment work really well, as I said earlier, and you can see their true potential in Advantage Plus campaigns. Here are the different ways that you can utilize DPAs. You can utilize DPAs, for example, you can advertise the whole of the men collection or the whole of the women's collection. You can do just leggings, you can just do t-shirts and tops, or you can combine, let's say, leggings with shorts. There's a ton of different DPAs that you can create based on the product collections that you have. And those work really well because they leverage Meta's AI and they recommend your products to the people who actually are looking to buy something similar. The third thing that works really well for us is broad audiences. We have stopped targeting very narrow audiences, let's say 10 million and less. We don't use lookalikes almost at all, and we just target broad, and we focus mostly on creative, and that's it. And I've said this many times, creative is the one thing that you have 100% control of, and you need to guide your audience with your creative, not by targeting different segments, interests, etc. Creative is what is gonna make the biggest difference in your ad performance. And going to the last one, when it comes to creatives, single images at the moment and DPAs are absolutely ripping. UGCs and videos don't work as well as they used to do, simply because I feel like everybody started doing them and you kind of see the same thing over and over again, and it kind of looks fake. So for us, what works really well at the moment is single images and DPAs. And I'm gonna show you a new tool that I have started using, which is called Atria. What this tool basically is, if you watch my videos in the past, I've recommended Foreplay a ton, and Atria is basically Foreplay on steroids. So first, it has every single functionality that Foreplay has, but you can also create different reports and analytics, which I'm gonna show you probably another time. But you can create reports, you can analyze your creatives, hooks, style. Also, you can analyze all of your copy, landing pages, and the list goes on. So highly recommend this tool. And let me show you Gymshark, for example. So when you go to discovery, let's say you can search for Gymshark. When you open a brand's profile, it's gonna analyze all of their creatives, and you can see media mix, how much videos they use. They have 433 ads that are videos, which is 35%, almost 800 ads that are images, which is 64%, and 11 carousels. You can also see they have 46 different hooks, more than 100 copies variations, more than 100 headline variations, and more than 100 landing pages. It also gives you top personas, top ad angles, etc, etc, etc. So this is how we analyze currently our creatives, this is how we research competitors' creatives, and this is how we come up with ideas and everything else when it comes to content creation. So yeah, that was about it for this video. Hope it was helpful. If you found value in this, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!